Alright guys, this is my Mommobile, the 2020 Chevy Traverse. It is a mess right now. Brennan actually already brought out in like some cups for me, so it actually looks way better than it did. But there is stuff everywhere. It really needs swept out, which I didn't grab the sweeper yet, but we'll see how far I get. Oh, there's like a blender. Oh my gosh, so much crap. All the kids' stuff. The reason this happens, honestly, is because it is so hard to carry the kids and all the stuff. I just need to get better about like bringing a bag with me. Yeah, I just need to bring like a bigger bag with me or something to help me bring the stuff in. Because the issue is that I can never get all of the stuff because I have to carry Copeland's car seat, which is so heavy, and sometimes I have to carry Cashin too, or I have to hold his hand or whatever because we have stairs going up into our house. So yeah, it's just a pain. We always have this blanket for the dog. I always have a million diapers. This entire backpack is full of diapers for both kids. Cashin doesn't wear diapers anymore though. He wears them at night or he wears pull-ups. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and clean it. I don't know how, you know, it's gonna go trying to film in my car, but we're gonna do what we can. It's really not bad back here because we just moved a bunch of stuff to Brennan's grandma's, which is where we're gonna be staying while our house is being built, because no one is living in it currently. So it's really nice of his family to let us do. So anyways, when I clean the car, I always try to bring out like 2 garbage bags, one for plastic because my husband is no nonsense about recycling, and then one for garbage. And then I just brought my tripod, these coupons that I wanted to put in the car so I don't forget to use them for Copeland's formula, because I always forget. I just have some Lysol daily wipes so they're not like the antibacterial ones. And then I just got this little thing because it didn't have anything in it, and then I can put things that need to come into the house from the car in this little thing. So let's get started.
I'm seeing shimmers in this long-lasting dream. A made-up image, bringing back memories. Yes, I've been wasting like most of my life, watching paintings dry. We last singing lullabies, lullabies. Oh, no one's tough when faced with time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine. We step on night to pass that time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine. seeing shimmers in these long-lasting dreams. A made-up image, bringing back memories. Yes, I've been wasting like most of my life, watching paintings dry. I wanna take back the hours we last singing lullabies, lullabies. No one's tough when faced with time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine. We step on knives to pass that time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine. I'm seeing shimmers in these long-lasting dreams. A made-up image, bringing back memories. Yes, I've been wasting like most of my life, watching paintings dry. The hours we last singing lullabies, lullabies. No one's tough when faced with time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine. We step on knives to pass that time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine.
I definitely do want to sweep out they're disgusting, but you know, it's way better than it was. There isn't a bunch of junk in there. Already did my person in your reaction and we before, so I could show you guys that. I'm sure it would be like really satisfying before and after. So yeah, let me know down below if you want to see that, and I hope you guys have a good day.